I've come to suck your blood. Now we have our pure PRP. And then we're going to microneedle with radio frequency microneedling. That's going to push energy into the skin to help collagen and elastin reform. Then we're going to ablate the skin with our laser, our thulium laser, which is going to help with some of these imperfections with just some of the tone. So we can fix those lentigos, we can kind of tone up some of those sunspots. We've already needled her, we've already ablated her. This is just the icing on the top. Give us a little bit more. And then we're going to follow that up with our vampire stem cell facial, which is an amazing technique where we're taking growth factors from our blood. We have a special technique for that. And then we're going to infuse stem cell serum all over the face. It's going to be amazing. The result is going to be basically a complete infusion of growth factors and stimulation from the dermis all the way through to the epidermis with a complete skin peel from the facial. It's going to be spectacular.